Listen, if you've been posting on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, but your business, your views still ain't blowing up, this is for you. So yeah, like we're all doing this. I was doing this. We're out here posting maybe a reel, a video, even text, right? A few value posts, a few posts about like what our life is, but no one's really watching. You get some views, a couple views, but they're not participating. They're not getting you monetized. They're not getting you income in return. Then this is especially for you. This is for beginners. People are just starting to post on Facebook. Also, if you've been posting on Facebook for a while, but this is a beginner's method to how to get you monetized. And you want to get seen, grow faster, and actually turn those posts into profit, into monetization. Do you ever have a post even blow up and you're like, dude, I could have got paid for this? You don't need a big following. You don't need to be perfect. You just need a system. And I got that system. It's what I used to go from 1 million views in 1 month. I didn't do it in a day, but I got 1 million views in a month, right? So I created this live workshop called the Monetized Views Method, Viral in a Day, where I'm going to show you my exact 6-step process to take your short form videos on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and turn them into real visibility, engagement, and income and monetization. Get your Facebook page monetized. That's huge. If you don't get it monetized, it doesn't matter what happens. You're never going to get paid anyhow, right? This is the creator economy. It's time for you to get paid for what you're posting. This is how you, and this is how you're going to finally get your content to profit. And if you want your biz, if you're a biz and you want to start even a biz or blow your biz up with this method, this is your shortcut. Simple, real, no fluff. This is the way to do it. I'm going to teach you exactly how to do it. There is a system to it. You've got to go with the system. If you don't, you'll flop. And how much is this? It's $27 to join this workshop. Let's get you more views, more sales, and a whole lot more flow. Why is it $27? Because I don't want tire kickers. When you pay, you'll come in and you'll learn, and I want to teach you how to get more views. Big peace, big love. See you on the inside.